Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Facial Plastics Friday for July 5th, 2024. I'm Dr. Brace here at Gulf Facial Plastics. And today, I've been thinking about this topic for the last couple of weeks. Today, what I want to talk about is the whole concept of natural results. If you Google search any plastic surgery clinic, any plastic surgeon in Canada, North America, Europe, anywhere in the world, you're probably going to find somewhere on their website or on their Instagram, natural results. You know, what we provide is something that looks natural for you. And I think that means something different to every person. And not everybody has the same definition of what natural results mean. But we had a case in point about 6 weeks ago or so, maybe just 2 months ago, where I posted what I think is an incredibly natural looking, beautiful result for blepharoplasty, lip lift, deep plane face and neck lift. And we had some reactions on Instagram, some trolls that said, this is not a result, this is just makeup, you didn't do anything here, you're a terrible surgeon, all that stuff. And it kind of made me laugh because what they're saying really is a compliment that she looks natural. She still looks like herself. I don't see a drastic change. She doesn't look windswept. She doesn't look swooped. I've seen plastic surgery results before and people look crazy, and she just looks like her. And I'm gonna use that case in point because we have her before and afters, which we first posted, which had makeup. I have another set of before and afters, which we recently took at the 6-month mark where there's no makeup. And I'm gonna point out the differences of what I think makes a natural result. So here we go. I'm gonna put up the photos here. And then if you look at this original post that we posted, this patient's been gracious enough to share her photos with us, which I'm always thankful for from my patients because they're putting themselves out there. But you can see that she has heaviness of her upper lids, and we've lifted that. You can see that her upper lip, her philtrum was elongated, it was covering her teeth. And this ages the face. When you have an elongated upper lip, it will age your face. And if you do a facelift without addressing the upper lip when it's long, it'll be the thing that looks off. Doing the upper lip lift is kind of the cherry on top. It just lifts the one part of the face that the facelift does not lift, which is the philtrum, the space, the skin between the nose and the lip. And it unfurls the lip and shows more lip show without having to use fillers. And so she has had a blepharoplasty for her eyelid. She has had an upper lip lift. Now, if you look at the weight of the fat pad in her cheek, the malar fat pad, it's sitting low beforehand. The volume has been moved back up onto the cheekbone to frame her eyes with the deep plane facelift. And if you look at her neck, the excess loose skin, the platysmal muscle banding, that's been tightened, it's been pulled back, it's been anchored behind her ear to the mastoid process to create a smoother looking neck. So this is the before and after with makeup, which to the untrained eye, the trolls on Instagram said, this is just makeup, you've done nothing, you're a terrible surgeon. So let's look at the result without makeup. And you can see it maybe a little bit clearer for the untrained eye of what we accomplished with all those maneuvers, how she looks natural. She still looks like her. She does not look like a different person, but those little things that bothered her in the mirror, the eyelid skin, the neck laxity and banding, the furrows in the upper lip and the elongated upper lip, that's all been corrected in a way that looks completely natural. She still looks like her. If you didn't see her during her recovery period and just met her, 4 or 5 months after surgery, not knowing what she did, you wouldn't have trouble recognizing her. You wouldn't think she was a different person. You wouldn't say, oh my goodness, what did you do? You look weird. She looks rested. She looks like herself. And I think she looks fantastic. And so that's what I think about when I think about natural results, is that to the untrained eye, people don't really know what happened. They think you look rested. Maybe you went on vacation. Maybe you have really good makeup, but you know what has happened. My aim is to kind of be a thief in the night. Nobody should know you had plastic surgery except for you and I, and those who you decide to tell, or your caregivers during the initial post-op period. And everyone else should think you just look like you and you look fantastic. And so that's my take on natural results. Everybody have a great weekend. Happy Facial Plastics Friday.